Skokie, we've heard you. We understand the challenges and frustrations that camp registration has caused our community as we navigate over 8,000 camp registrations each summer.
Following our 2023 camp survey, steps have been taken to assist with long waits and lag times.
Visit our summer camps webpage for all of our camp information. Click on tips and tricks to best prepare you for camp registration.
Don't forget, virtual open house is January 31st at 6 p.m.
Pick which form of registration you plan on doing for camp. In person at Devonshire, Emily Oaks, Oakton, Skadium, or Weber, or online.
Don't forget, make a list of camps to register for.
And have a backup plan, especially if you see a flame that indicates the camp was popular and filled in 2023.
Over 50 staff will be available during registration, including a designated employee who will be monitoring the Park District's Facebook page to address any issues or concerns with registration.
The Skokie Park District cares about you and are here to help.